sick looking Charger, or not Charger, Durango. It's kind of like a SUV version of a Charger. Alright, there's a little speed bump there. Should probably warn someone that there's a speed bump there. I didn't see that. Dude, those things are like come out of nowhere. I got a little bit of warning, but like usually you get like a yellow sign that says bump or something. I also need to learn these roads. I don't know these roads that well. But yeah, it's so nice right now. This is like the perfect time to go motorcycle riding in Florida right now. It's early in the morning when the sun hasn't had time to just like wreak havoc. That looks nice, little country club, huh? Country club Mannon? This is my churn, I believe. I think it's a little back roads I found on Google Maps. Respect, brother. Honestly, it's getting a lot better. Like, you still see videos of like a lot of the old school like motorcycle gang riders, and they're very much like prejudiced on what type of bike you ride. But it seems like it's getting a lot better, a lot more like just like unified. Like we're all on two wheels, we're all having a great time. But then, you know, I rode that Kawasaki, and I kind of like that. I could see me picking one of those up one day. Maybe not that exactly, but a cruiser bike, you know, like a little bit more relaxed style of riding, just something I could go, like maybe just hop on the highway, run down to like a car meet or something. Oh, dude, it's actually kind of got like a little chill in the air. How cool it is! It's like super shaded. But I do have to get home before it starts raining, so I only got like an hour of actual good riding I could probably fit in today. Hey, look at that dirt bike. Oh, nice little drift car. Hell yeah. Organic farms. Ooh, some blueberries. Oh, I think I remember. This is what I was looking for. I saw these little twisties on Google Maps. Give them a little bit of space and then traffic. It's still Florida, so there's traffic everywhere. Oh, thing like friggin', I think that shot a flame or something. Let's go on. There's a donkey. There's a donkey out there. That's crazy. A lot of these places, they have like farm equipment. They're all farms basically, but they're not like active farms, and so they just use the old farm equipment as like decoration. That would be cool though. I would love to own one of these. Dude, to build a little dirt bike track on one of these, that'd be sick. The old post office road. That's when you know you're out in the middle of nowhere. There's an old post office road. Oh yeah, this is like super banked. This corner is like it's like a freaking NASCAR. Like I can't really reach it with this this foot. Oh yeah. Someone having a birthday party. Hell yeah, happy birthday. I think it's just a lot of like old country back roads and a long straight road like this. A lot of motorcycles out here though. Well, like I said, right now is like the best time to go riding if you don't want to get like heat stroke. Oh, I know where I'm at now. Yeah, there's a golf course that I come to out here. It's like my local driving range. Yeah, I know where I'm at now. Yeah, this house is insane. I see this every time I go golfing. I'm like, holy crap. A lot of these houses are super nice. Rafiki Foundation. God's word at word. Huh. That's pretty cool. Wonder what's in there. Yeah, Blackberry Reserve. That's where I go golfing. A little golf community. The one thing I don't like about this bike is the vibration. Like, I am not I'm not gripping, I'm not death gripping it or anything, but my hand is going numb with the vibrations. That's the only really negative I'd say about this bike. Like you see here, I'm not death gripping it, but I still feel it in my hands. Hey! These shifts on this bike are so crisp, dude. I love a quick. Once you go a quick shifter, you'll never go back. That's for sure. The only bad thing about these little old like side roads is you got a lot of like cars pulling out, so you got to be on your A game. Woo. Oh, an eagle. I think. Maybe not. That might be just a vulture. I don't know. That's a big bird. Holy shit. Lake Mary Preserve. Huh. I think it's like a hiking trail, a little walking trail or something. Stop, but they're going now, so I think we're okay. I don't know what that was, but oh well. Get a little bit of feeling back in my hand. It's really the high RPMs, you get like a lot of vibration. I'm kind of wondering, I used to have grip puppies on it, those did help. I was wondering if they make like an isolator or something. If I want, well, honestly, if I want that, I just gotta go buy like a touring bike or something. Can't really complain about comfort on a Streetfighter V4. I wonder if there's like some nice like gloves. I love these gloves. I've been riding these gloves for a long time. Maybe they have like a slightly more padded glove or something to kind of shield you from the vibration. Oh my god, it's so bumpy. I kind of wanted to go see the new ZX-10. I really like the way that looks. I love the Kawasaki green with the blue, and like the winglets are like, dude, that looks insane. Everybody hates on the winglet. I love the way winglets look though, personally. It kind of makes sense. I got the bike with the most winglets. Hell yeah, brother. Oh, this vibration's so tingly. Oh, a little 650. It looks like a 650 E-clutch, maybe? I always wanted to ride those E-clutches, see what it feels like. That bike did not sound very good. It had one of those, like, just bad timing and backfires. Wasn't even good backfire. Oh, yeah. I did put a different exhaust on here than what I used to have. This is a Chinese exhaust. Off eBay. It's 350 bucks. Got a random guy walking on the road, or a random chick walking on the road. Yeah, I need new front brakes really bad. This thing is getting a little annoying. Oh, that was second gear. That's alright. You got enough torque in it. And then I gotta remember on this road there's those speed bumps. I'll go flying. That's a cool old house. Look like a president lived there or something. Old Lake Eustis. Oh. Man, this place is bumpy. It is bumpy. Yeah, I think I'll do it for today. I got a warning on my phone saying it's going to rain in a few minutes, which it doesn't look like it. It might be lying to me. It could, though. It's always Florida. There's always a chance of rain. Plus, around this time of year, it's not if it'll rain in Florida. It's just how long is it going to rain. What was that? Is that a train? I didn't know a train went through this town. What the hell was that? Oh, hey there, Steve McLean. How you doing, buddy? Doing a great job. You're doing a great job. Keep it up. Trying to find some like nice little back roads, you know, going like nice little cruises. Trying to get out of the neighborhoods because I feel like I'm just in. Lately, I've just been riding around neighborhoods all day. Need to find some back roads with some twisties. That wasn't a very bad road. That was pretty nice. Just a long straight, just dead straight pretty much. As always, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.